Biogas is a renewable energy source. It is made from organic waste. This includes food scraps, animal manure, and agricultural residues. Biogas is produced through a process called anaerobic digestion. This process happens in the absence of oxygen. Biogas is primarily composed of methane. Methane is a flammable gas. It can be used for cooking, heating, and electricity generation. Biogas offers a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions and promotes a circular economy. Biogas technology is applicable worldwide. It is particularly beneficial in rural communities. In these communities, access to conventional energy sources might be limited. Biogas plants provide a reliable and affordable energy solution. They also contribute to waste management and environmental sustainability. Biogas offers numerous benefits. These benefits make it a sustainable energy solution. Firstly, biogas production reduces reliance on fossil fuels. This lessens our carbon footprint. Secondly, biogas plants process organic waste. This reduces methane emissions from landfills. Thirdly, the byproduct of biogas production is digestate. Digestate is a nutrient-rich fertilizer. It can enhance soil fertility and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers. Furthermore, biogas systems improve sanitation in rural areas. This is achieved by treating human waste and reducing the spread of diseases. The use of biogas technology promotes a circular economy. In this economy, waste is transformed into a valuable resource. This contributes to a more sustainable and resilient energy system. Biogas offers a practical solution to address climate change. It also improves livelihoods, particularly in developing countries. Building a basic biogas plant is achievable with readily available materials. The primary component is the digester. The digester is a sealed container where anaerobic digestion takes place. You can construct the digester using bricks, concrete, or even a large plastic container. You will need inlet and outlet pipes. These pipes facilitate the feeding of waste and the outflow of biogas and digestate. PVC pipes are suitable for this purpose. A gas storage unit is necessary to collect the produced biogas. This could be an inverted drum or a specialized gas bag. Additional materials include cement, sand, water, and sealant to ensure an airtight digester. You will also need tools such as shovels, trowels, pipes cutters, and measuring equipment for construction. The construction of the digester is crucial for efficient biogas production. If you're using bricks or concrete, ensure a strong foundation. The walls of the digester should be smooth and free of cracks to prevent gas leaks. The inlet pipe should be positioned at the top to feed the waste. The outlet pipe, located at the opposite end, allows the outflow of digestate. The gas outlet, connected to the top of the digester, channels the biogas to the storage unit. Apply sealant diligently to all joints and connections to maintain an airtight environment within the digester. Remember to consider the volume of waste you will be processing to determine the appropriate size of your digester. A larger digester can accommodate more waste and generate more biogas. Section 5. Feeding and utilizing your biogas. The inlet and outlet systems are crucial for continuous operation. The inlet should facilitate easy loading of organic waste. A funnel-shaped structure helps in convenient pouring. Position the outlet pipe lower than the inlet for gravity-driven flow. Channel biogas to your kitchen stove or other applications. Ensure all connections are secure and leak-proof. Install a valve to control biogas flow. Use nutrient-rich digestate as fertilizer for your garden or fields. Section 6. The science of biogas, understanding anaerobic digestion. The production of biogas relies on a natural process called anaerobic digestion. This process involves a consortium of microorganisms that break down organic matter in the absence of oxygen. The digestion occurs in 4 stages: hydrolysis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis. During hydrolysis, complex organic molecules are broken down into simpler sugars, amino acids, and fatty acids. In acidogenesis, these molecules are further converted into volatile fatty acids, alcohols, and carbon dioxide. Acetogenesis then transforms these products into acetic acid, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. Finally, methanogenic bacteria, the key players in biogas production, consume the acetic acid, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide to produce methane, the primary component of biogas. Understanding these stages can help you optimize the conditions within the digester for efficient biogas production. Section 7. Safety. First, precautions for a secure biogas system. While biogas offers a sustainable energy solution, it's essential to prioritize safety. Biogas is flammable. Therefore, it's crucial to prevent any leaks in the system. Regularly inspect all connections, pipes, and the digester itself for any signs of damage or wear. Ensure adequate ventilation around the biogas plant to prevent the accumulation of methane, which can be hazardous in enclosed spaces. Never smoke or use any open flames near the biogas system. It's advisable to install a gas detector to alert you of any potential leaks. Educate everyone in your household about the safe handling of biogas and the potential risks. In case of a suspected leak, immediately evacuate the area and contact a qualified technician to inspect the system. Section 8. Maintaining your biogas plant, ensuring longevity and efficiency. Regular maintenance is key to the longevity and efficiency of your biogas plant. Monitor the temperature inside the digester. The ideal temperature for anaerobic digestion is between 30 and 35 degrees Celsius. Insulate the digester during colder months to maintain optimal temperature. Ensure a consistent supply of organic waste to the digester. Avoid adding materials like detergents, antibiotics, or heavy metals. Periodically remove the accumulated digestate. This prevents overloading and maintains optimal conditions. Follow these practices to ensure sustained performance and maximize benefits. Biogas offers a sustainable, affordable, and environmentally friendly energy solution.